Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix the Proton Mail app not working. Whether the app won't open, keeps crashing, won't load emails, freezes unexpectedly, or isn't functioning properly on your device. There are several troubleshooting steps you can try to get it working again. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Proton Mail requires a stable connection to sync emails and communicate with its servers. Try opening a website or another app to confirm your connection is working properly. Next, completely close the Proton Mail app and reopen it. Temporary glitches can often be resolved by restarting the application. If that doesn't help, restart your device. Rebooting your phone or tablet can clear temporary system issues that may be affecting the app's performance. Another important step is to check for app updates. Visit your device's app store and make sure you're running the latest version of Proton Mail. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. You should also verify that your device's operating system is up to date. Running outdated system software can sometimes cause compatibility problems with newer app versions. And that's how to fix the Proton Mail app not working. By checking your connection, updating the app, reviewing device settings, and refreshing your account, you can resolve most issues and get Proton Mail running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.